Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a video today for a main board for monitor 31MU95C or CP, which was sent to us from Mexico. And I'm making this video so that the customer knows and cannot complain that we didn't fix the board. And the reason I do that is because the board was worked on before it got here, and whoever worked on it damaged it. So this was a human made failure. There is a video, there is an article from a guy on internet who talks about how you can jumpstart the monitor by sending high voltage to the chip select, and I think it was the clock wires of the main EEPROM with the firmware. And it actually, what he describes there somewhat works, but because of the way he describes it and sends 19 volts to those pins, the risk of causing a damage is pretty big, especially if you don't know what exactly you're doing, or if you follow his advices. There is a possibility that it may work. There is a possibility if you try to hack it. It's more than a possibility. It's a pretty serious likelihood that you can damage something by just not doing it right. Besides, jump starting is not a long-term solution, but that's a different topic. So what I want to show is that this is working. Just connected it. You can hear that, and I'm going to raise it up just enough to see that it does have no signal, power, blah blah blah. Here's the menu. This is the menu. There you go. It does work. This is what I wanted to show. I don't want to get in details, but this is the board, and now customer will know that it was serviced, and we will debate whether we should charge something more because it was damaged and worked on, and that's not how we want them. For some reason, all the people who damage their boards send them through eBay and not through our website. I wonder why that is. Is it a coincidence, or is it just that, eBay is so wise that you can't really argue over it? That's all.